Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an issue saying that the file is open in another program. In this brief tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully fix that without too much of a hassle here. So we're going to just jump into it, and we're going to start by assuming that you're either running Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. Keep in mind for Windows 10, if you're running Windows 10 Home Edition, this tutorial is not going to work for you. I'm just going to put that out there, but if you're running Windows 10 Professional, it will. Windows 7 and Windows 8 users do not have this problem, but we're going to jump right into it, and you guys are going to understand why, because we're going to be going through the local group policy editor. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, and you want to open up local group policy, and the best message that comes up should say edit group policy right above control panel. So you want to left click on that one time to open it up. Okay, so if let's say I have a couple windows open, let me close out of the extra windows here. So I'm going to expand the view a little bit on the side, and then I'm going to left click on the administrative templates folder right here, and I'm going to double click on Windows components on the right side here. Now I'm going to scroll down until I get to Windows Explorer. So on Windows 7 and Windows 8, you're going to be looking for something that says Windows Explorer. On Windows 10, you see there is no such thing as Windows Explorer. You're going to be doing this for File Explorer. So you want to double click on File Explorer if you're on Windows 10. If you're on Windows 7 or Windows 8, you want to go underneath Windows Explorer. If you don't see one or the other, it's likely you're going to be selecting the one that's visible. So you should only see one of the two. So I'm going to double click on the File Explorer window here. And now I'm going to scroll down until I get to turn off caching of thumbnails in hidden thumbnails. And I'm going to double click on it. Or click on next to where it says edit, click on policy setting, whichever you prefer. And now you want to select enabled, and then click on OK. So then at this point you should be able to close out of the local group policy editor and resume what you were doing beforehand. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.